Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lookout Mobile Security easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Lookout Mobile Security, start by downloading the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app once the installation is complete. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Get Started button to proceed. Next, you will need to create a Lookout account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Once your account is created, log in using your email and password. Now, grant the app the necessary permissions. This includes access to your device's location and storage for optimal security features. After permissions are granted, you will see the main dashboard of the app. Here, you can choose the features you want to activate. These features may include antivirus protection, theft protection, and data backup. Select your preferred options and follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to enable certain device settings for full functionality. Once the setup is complete, Lookout will scan your device for any potential threats. Finally, familiarize yourself with the dashboard to monitor your device's security status. You have now successfully activated Lookout Mobile Security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.